Hey, JB here. Welcome to the community. Glad you're a supporter. Thank you so much for participating in our YouTube channel here. It means so much. We got major changes coming. I want to make some announcements today so you know what's going on. First of all, thank you. I always say, you're spending time coming here, and I appreciate you doing that. And a lot of people obviously have come because they're looking at devices, and it's been great, and iPads. But we're going to make some changes, and it's been a lot of work, but I want to tell you why, okay? So I haven't really done YouTube much. I mean, I started on it probably 10 years ago as a hobby. You know, my big thing is our podcast, which we've literally, I've done 5,000, almost 5,500 episodes. It's pretty crazy. Been doing it for 19 years and built a great business around that, and I love that. And I'm all about putting energy out there, and I love to create content. But YouTube's one of those things that gets really challenging with the editing and all the stuff you have to do. And so I've been using this one channel. It's monetized. I'm a YouTube partner. I make anywhere from $400 to $2,000 a month just putting videos up. The issue is that I want to really structure things a little bit differently this year to make this work for you, right? So what we're doing is this channel that you're on right here is now the Morning Coach Tech channel, meaning all we're going to do is tech. Over the last few years, I've been putting up some of my non-alcoholic stuff. I've been putting up some of my ILD stuff, some of my vlogs, and it just doesn't, it's kind of discombobulated, right? Because you may be here for tech and not really want that other stuff. If you're one of my community members that likes all of it, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. It's going to be easier for you. So first thing is we have this channel. And so this channel, if you're here watching this for the first time or you've been here, is going to be about tech. Okay, the first series that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Remarkable 2 tutorial series over the next couple weeks. We're going to break it down. We're going to go over some tools and techniques and how to use it. And I'm also going to do the books and a lot of other devices, iPads, going to do some reviews. I'm getting stuff sent to me. We are going to make this the tech review channel. It's going to be tech reviews, interviews. It's going to be about technology and productivity. That's it, okay? So what I'm doing now is I'm starting new channels. So I'm literally starting 4 other new channels. And this is difficult because I had to set them up. You got to verify them. They're not monetized. This channel, I make anywhere from $400 to $2,000 a month just playing around. And the other channels don't have any subscribers yet. And so it's going to be challenging, but it's okay because I love to create content and I want to serve and put good energy out there in the world. And the way we're going to do that is the first channel that I created is called Intelligent Life Design. This is a concept that I've taught for years. You can see it up here on the board, Intelligent Life Design. And basically, it's using your intellect to build residual and passive incomes in different streams like podcasting. So for my first videos on that channel, if you're into that, I'm going to start showing how I've built content over 19 years as one of the first podcasters, how I've literally generated millions of dollars over 19 years with my podcast, having one of the first membership sites in 2009. If you're in business and you're looking for branding, this is going to be your channel. It's really going to open you up to new ways to generate revenue. And again, it's a brand new channel. There's no subscribers. We're going to have fun on that. The links are down below, by the way, to each of these channels. The next channel is something that I'm having fun with, and it's just the JB Glossinger channel. It's a vlog channel where I'm just going to put stuff up and have fun. I'm not going to over-edit. I'm not going to hire camera crews, but it's just some ideas and thoughts on positivity. Some people love my energy, and it's great. I do have a lot of energy. It's one thing that I've been given as a gift is to bring that energy. If you're looking for some positivity and some different thoughts and want to get away from the news and really get some movement in your life, as a coach, and I've been coaching professional athletes, and I have some of them on there, and CEOs and all kinds of people, regular house moms that have got on Shark Tank, we'll have that on the JB Glossinger channel, okay? Then I've got another channel that we had some videos really take off that is fun, and that is I'm experimenting with non-alcoholic drinks because I don't like to drink too much. I'm not going to say I don't ever drink, but I focus on not drinking, and so I like to substitute things. So we've got a Sober Weekends channel, and that's going to be a channel for those are looking for more health aspects of not drinking, kind of staying away from it, my fun videos and testing the non-alcoholic whiskeys. That channel's down below, and I'll do some quick reminders on the weekend. Hey, it's a weekend. Again, some shorts and stuff that are specific to that non-alcoholic area. And then finally, I've got Motivational Mondays, which is where we put our podcast up. This is an audio podcast, but people can listen there. I think there's 130 episodes up already, and you can go subscribe to that. So we literally are breaking this down as a brand into different channels. So if you come here, you're going to know this is tech. You're going to know that we're doing tech, and you can subscribe to this. and you don't have to get that other stuff. And YouTube's gonna love that, because I always say I do YouTube different, but we really need to do this because it is it's just for you, right? I want to make sure you are getting what you want. If you don't want the other stuff, then don't go subscribe to those channels. But if you want to learn about lifestyle design and really building a life different than most, right, and figure that out, then subscribe to that ILD channel. If you want to have some fun, go to my channel. If you're somebody that's struggling a little bit, or you watch my videos and subscribe because I did those non-alcoholic whiskeys and we had 50,000 views on those videos, then go, subscribe to Sober Weekends, and that'll give you that channel. So I'm excited about what we're doing. Like I said, we've got some playlists coming. The Intelligent Life Design channel's got some really cool content that really nobody's doing. I've done 5,000 podcasts and how I've done that and some of the ways that I've generated residual and passive income. I think I've got 22 income streams. We're going to talk about those things. Writing books. Sober Weekends is the next book that I'm writing, which is to help people on the weekend stay sober. So really cool stuff going on. So I'm excited about what direction we're going. If you stumbled on this video, thank you for being here. If you do hit a like on the thumbs up thing, that helps us. And of course, here's the deal. If you want tech and you really want to get into the kind of the cool things, and like I said, if you got a Remarkable 2, you're going to want to subscribe to this channel, or any really technical things that you want to get involved with, that's what this particular channel that you're subscribing to is going to be about. If you want to get into those other areas, go subscribe. The content's coming. We're building this week. So a lot of stuff is coming to the other channels, and you'll see I'm putting some shorts up and fun stuff. And really, it's about the energy and just aligning so you know where to go. So again, tech is here. Okay, so excited about this, super pumped. And of course, as always, hey, this is a community, so I'd love to hear your comments below. If you don't mind dropping a comment, I always check them immediately when I put the videos up. I try to get to most of them. We've got a pretty big group here, but I do the best I can. And we're going to keep rocking and rolling. We're going to keep the energy up, and we're going to have some fun. So thanks for being a part of the Morning Coach community and the things we do, and subscribe to the channels that best fit your interest, and we're going to bring it like never before. All right, lots of love to you. Go have a great one, and we'll see you in the next video.